Okay, so where is that? You're like right dead center. I'm getting your whole everything. Okay.
Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I got it on mine.
Huh?
I'm recording it.
That's fine. I'm getting a picture for myself.
Alright, I'm going to show you guys what we're using. We're going to use a little indicator trout float. Little trout magnet. Now let me show you guys what we're going to be using for bait. I have Petoskey, Yellow Jackets, and Balls of Fire. In fact, we just ran past Fluff himself at the bottom of the hill there. If you'll hold that for me. We'll show you the combination we're going to use. These are salmon eggs. And they have a beautiful color to them. Alright. I'm going to throw one of those on there. And just like they recommended, I'm going to use another color. This is the Yellow Jacket. That's going to be our rig for today. We'll mix it up a little bit. That little corner over if you can. Yep, you're good. There you go. Now close your thing. Yeah. So you're on the outside edge of that rough current, so it's going a little slower. Now pull up a little bit and then let it float back down. See how it gives it, oh, there you go. See how it gives it time to drop down a little bit? We're gonna have to put us a little bit of weight on there. Water's moving a little fast.
Did you go down that way towards the rocks at all?
Yeah, I've been fishing on the edge over there.
Here we go, guys. I can't. Oh my gosh, that's steep. That is steep. Can you get bite up there?
Alright guys, I hooked up on the first one. Oh, whoa, he's a jumper. You got my net?
I can get it.
I got it. Alright guys, I got our first. It's a little rainbow. That Aberdeen hook went right in the lip where we want it. All right. I'm gonna wet my hand real quick. All right, let's let him go. There he is. On another one, a weightless worm. Oh, it's another rainbow. I was hoping we might could go for that Virginia Slam, but he's pretty though. Oh, self-release. Look at that pretty rainbow, guys. Rainbow number 2 on that power worm. Let's do something a little different. Let's do some underwater footage. That was awesome. Alright guys, I'm just hopping it along the bottom here. I know there's 2 or 3 more trout in there that I've seen. Seen a big old brown swim by. I'd love to catch it. But I'm just weightlessly hopping it along the bottom, slowly working its way back to me. Each time that I come in, I check my split shot. I just want it to be a few inches above, and I make sure that that knot is resting so that my presentation looks good. I don't know if you can see that. That's all I'm doing, guys. I'm not letting it stay on the bottom very long because it'll get hung up in the rocks and then you'll lose a lot of rigs that way. But we're just hopping her along like so. I've tried several baits here. I've been here probably about 30 minutes. They're not hitting any of the salmon egg baits. But I switched over to this pink worm and I've done well. Come on guys, finally. Oh, it's a pretty. Check that rainbow out. It's finally able to get one hit. Beautiful little rainbow. Just hopping this along the bottom here. Alright, I'm gonna let him go.